What's going on, guys? Jimmy here with the General Expert channel here on YouTube. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing of this SanDisk Extreme PRO portable SSD. This is the 2TB version and I picked this up on Amazon. They were having a one-day deal and I just couldn't pass up the price. As far as my external storage goes, I've been wanting to get away from the typical HDD, with all the moving parts, the spinning platters and all that stuff, and get into these SSD storage systems. I have the first MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. It's a 16-inch version, spec'd out, and that has the SSD in it. And I know SSDs have been around for a long time, so I'm confident that this would be pretty stable. What I'm hoping is that this is even more stable than the typical HDD. I'm hoping that not only do the prices come down, but also that these would outlast the typical HDD by a long shot. I kind of look at it like the old filament style light bulb technology versus LED. Over time, these LEDs get better and better and cost less and less. And hopefully these SSDs are far better than LEDs, but I guess time will tell. So let's break into this thing and see what's inside. I've already cut the seal. All right. Wow. So that is very, very small. Of course, we have our instruction booklet here, as well as two different sets of cords. And you can see this one here is the USB-C to USB-C. This is the one I'm going to be using, being that I have a MacBook that only uses USB-C. All right, well, here is the SSD. Let's take this plastic sleeve off of here. And that's it. You can see it's got a rubberized texture here, which feels pretty good. You have that SanDisk logo right there in the center, which looks really good. And we have this big hole here on the top right corner where you would clip this onto, like, let's say a carabiner that's on your backpack or something. I don't think I would ever do that, just because I wouldn't want someone to see this as something that they could possibly steal. But as for design, it definitely gives it the impression of this fun, quick, grab and go sort of a situation here. I believe this thing is waterproof to a certain extent. And turning it on its side, you can see it has this orange ring around the edge. And you can also see the shape here. And looking at the back here, you can see that it says 2TB, which of course stands for 2 terabytes. And you can also read that it says SanDisk Extreme PRO Portable SSD. So there's definitely no mistaking exactly which version you have. Taking a look at the bottom here, you can see the USB-C port, and of course that's where these included USB-C cables come in handy. And for size comparison here, you can see just how small this thing really is. It's very, very small. Fits in the palm of my hand. It's lightweight. Well, that'll do it for this video. I just wanted to unbox this thing to give you guys a really good idea of just what it looks like coming straight out of the box, what comes in the box, how big it is, and all that good stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I'm Jimmy for the General Expert channel here on YouTube. Don't forget to check the description below for links to this exact hard drive, and I will see you in the next one.